How is it going, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Christian. Few days ago I got the package from FeiyuTech with this gimbal called AK4500. They sent me this gimbal to test it out. This video is not sponsored by them, so everything what I'm going to say in this video are just my own thoughts and my own opinions. There are actually many technical reviews about this gimbal and many videos how to balance this gimbal. I'm going to make a video where I'm going to use this gimbal and I will show you guys in my behind the scenes how I use this gimbal and how I get my shots. Okay, so let's put this baby together. For the demonstration I will use my old Canon camera because I'm already shooting on my Sony a7 III. So let's do it. Okay, it's done. Of course, it's not balanced yet. First I have to charge up the batteries and then I can balance the gimbal with my Sony a7 III camera. So come back to you soon, guys. So as you can see, guys, I already balanced the gimbal with my Sigma 35mm lens. I also tried to balance with my Samyang 40mm lens with no any issue. And then I was like, hold on, Christian, you have another lens, the Laowa 24mm probe lens. Why don't you try to balance it with that lens? How cool and good it would be to take out this lens and make some awesome macro shots with much more less shaking. So now I decided to try to balance it with this gimbal. Okay, so it's done. Isn't it cool? I think it's very cool and it's going to be very useful. Before I wasn't able to take out this macro lens and make some awesome macro shots because the footage was way too shaky and kinda useless. So now I can't wait to go outside and try this baby out. So for the demonstration I decided to make a product commercial for a herbal tea where I'm going to show you guys how I use this gimbal in my studio and outside in nature. So as you can see, I built up an upside down scene where I want the herbs fly out from the box. It took me about 6 hours to build it up, but I'm pretty happy with the result. Now let's go outside and get lost somewhere in the beauty of Slovak nature. The mission outside is find some nice meadow with the flowers and with the forest in the background. So let's go. Okay, so I'm back in my office. I have all the shots I need for the commercial, and actually I already have done the commercial, so enough talking and let me show you the final video. So this was the product commercial. I hope you like it, and now let me show you the behind the scenes. Okay guys, so this is it for today. I hope you like it and learned something new or just get inspired. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button and a subscribe button. Again, I have to say a really big thank you to FeiyuTech for sending me this gimbal. I really like this gimbal, so if you are looking for a good gimbal, go ahead and check it out. I will put down the link to the video description so you can easily find this gimbal. So this is it guys, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one.